What do you have?
Banana.
You gonna eat the banana? Let me see you eat the banana.
It's cold.
It's cold. You take a little bite and chew it really good. Is it good? Say banana. Say hip hip. Hooray, banana. Are you peeling it?
I'm eating little boy.
You're eating. Are you a big boy or a little boy? Is it good? Chew it good. That was a big bite.
Is he eating good?
He ate a cutie. He had, uh-oh, it fell down. Poppy, would you get it? Would you wash it in the sink and then give it back?
Here, what is it?
Banana. Poppy's gonna wash it for you. Say thank you, Poppy.
Thank you, Bobby.